In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple Google Chrome profiles, a feature that can be incredibly useful for keeping your work and personal browsing data separate. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly manage different accounts on a single device, making your online experience much more organized. Let's start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Once it's open, take a glance at the top right corner. You'll notice your current profile picture or initial. Click on it. This reveals a drop-down menu with several options. Look towards the bottom and you'll find the Add button. This is your gateway to creating a new profile. Click on Add and a new window will pop up, guiding you through the process of setting up your new Chrome profile. Here, you have the option to sign into Chrome using a Google account. If you want everything saved for future use, like your bookmarks, history, and passwords, signing in is the way to go. It's important to note that you can also skip this step if you prefer a local profile without any synchronization. Once you've decided whether to sign in or not, you'll have the opportunity to name your new profile and even choose a theme color or avatar. This isn't just for looks, it helps you easily differentiate between profiles as you switch between them. After finishing the setup, click on the Done button. And just like that, your new profile is ready for use. You'll notice it's opened in a new window, which is distinct from your other profiles. This feature is especially useful for multitasking, allowing you to browse different accounts side by side without any mix-ups or confusion. To switch between profiles, simply click on the profile icon again. You'll see all your profiles displayed. Choose the one you want, and Chrome will open the selected profile in a separate window. With this flexibility, managing multiple accounts or personas becomes a breeze. Another handy tip: customize each profile's appearance to suit its purpose. Perhaps select a calming theme for a personal profile while opting for something more vibrant for work. These visual cues can help keep you in the right mindset as you navigate between different tasks. Remember that each profile acts as its own separate browser. This means cookies, extensions, and settings are distinct to each, ensuring privacy and customized usage experiences. Whether you're using Chrome for work, personal use, or both, creating distinct profiles is a smart and efficient way to manage your digital life. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to creating multiple Google Chrome profiles. This simple yet powerful tool can greatly enhance your online browsing efficiency and effectiveness. Thank you for joining me today, and happy browsing with your new Chrome profiles.